Sorry, y'all. I talked so long and went over my stuff so long. Well, I opened a lot, for one thing. I don't think I could have got all that in one video, but we are on part 4. And I was just reviewing, and I thought, well, just let it go. But it kind of cut me off in the middle of my sentence, and I would just like to say some things about this. It's always good to help another person get their business going. The fact that you can get so many good stuffs at the same time is a huge plus. So I was talking to you about these earrings. I'm going back over them all again. And this is very vintage. Again, classic. It won't go out of style. And you think, well, that's very trendy statement jewelry. Yes, but at the same time, it's very vintage, classic jewelry. Amazing. And this one is just interesting because I don't know if you can see on the back where it has the clip that comes around. That's to clip up here. And what I love about that is because they're longer and they go up the ear, and even though it's got a flat back, which means it'll sit it up on your ear, I'm going to put this one on. I'm just going to do it right now in front of all y'all. Yes, yes. But because of that, they've even thought ahead to have the little clip to help it hold on good so that it, it hangs right. That is attention to detail, and I love it. Here's something else I just noticed. Just noticed it. The clip has a little, I'm going to take this earring out. The clip has a little sponge stopper in it so that it will not hurt. Thinking ahead for those of us ladies who don't want it to hurt. All right, so that's just a clip. So you put this in the hole. I'll put that in the hole. Let me get my hair out of there. Ouchie. Okay, so that's going to go around and clip. And what did I do with the back? There's the back. The back is going to make it, if I could get coordinated here. There. The back's going to make it sit right. So now the clip can make it hold on to my ear up there. Ooh, those are stunning. Y'all, look. That is so beautiful. And look how it just hugs the ear because of that back clip. But it's not hurting at all because that little cushion, it's got a little cushion. Can y'all see the little white cushion right there? So that it doesn't pinch. It's the one thing that I didn't like when I was younger about the clip-on earrings is they would pinch so bad. And then they came out with non-pressure ones, but then they wouldn't stay on. This is on there. It's got the back holding this flat, so it really makes sure you can see the bottom part of this jewelry. And then the top sits it up straight and keeps it up good. And it's a clip, so you don't have to have a piercing up there. That looks very modern, very dressy, but it still could be casual. Like I said, I could wear this today, just a white shirt and a pair of jeans, and it just elevates the outfit. A cute handbag and we're done. Or I could wear this with a beautiful beige dress, like a little strappy dress, and throw a little scarf over my shoulders at night, and have these on and just, they'd be so sparkly and pretty. I don't know how well y'all can see that. I'm trying to get close and at different angles. So pretty, y'all. So pretty. I'm going to try on another pair. I'll look different, won't I? And each one of these has the little stopper and the flat back on the earrings. So you've got two choices. You can use just the flat back or you can use just the stopper. I do like flat backs for heavier earrings. Oh, I need to take these off. To make them stand up a little better. Gosh, I love all of these, y'all. I love the little turquoise set. That'll be just so great. Here we go. I love those. Oh my gosh, those look so fantastic, y'all. Look at that. Can y'all see good? I hope you can. I'm trying to look at the monitor. It's hard to tell. Love them, and even straight on, because y'all know my ears go out. See how they go out? You mostly see things from the side on me because my ears don't go forward like some people's do like that. I like it sometimes because they don't stick out, but they stay back. They'll pin back. But at the same time, sometimes I wish my earrings showed a little better, just like sticking out a little bit like that. But even straight on, those are just beautiful. And they do stand out from my hair color. Even if you had black hair or dark brown hair, I still feel like these would stand out good. Or if you want to put them up and just really be able to see them. Beautiful. Again, on the necklaces, very good quality necklaces. I'm very excited about this one. I feel like this is just going to go with everything. You could wear this every single day because it's got all these different little colors. Look at all those different colors. And you've also got just this little plain one. Matter of fact, if you just wanted the plain one, you could, when you put this on, let that hang down your back. Nobody's going to see it because they'll go down your shirt, and just wear this plain one, and vice versa if you just want to do that. I don't know that I'd ever just do that one by itself because this little gold one's just so cute. I love the gold one. Look how sparkly and shiny that is. I love it. Love it. Look at the swing on it. And if you didn't want it to be right up here, it's got a pretty decent extender. That looks like 2.5 inches there. Wonderful. Again, that one's called Kyler. So anyway, y'all, I know I look funny with just, you know, half earrings on, half earrings on. I want to try some more. Do y'all want me to? I hope you do. I mean, I shouldn't leave them in their boxes, but here's the thing. These little boxes are so pretty. I want to leave them in their little boxes. So I may just have a drawer that I do nothing but plunder jewelry. That's what I'm going to do. My plunder drawer. Okay, I'm going to try on these because I just love these. Oh my gosh. They've got the little tiny stopper on them. And then they've got a metal stopper. That is such attention to detail for two things. For one thing, in shipping, you don't lose the earring. You don't lose the stopper. But also you can use both of those separately. Both earrings separately. Now this hoop is nice and thin. So I could put this on my lower hole. And then put the little diamond ink back in the top hole. And that'd be real cute. Look at that. Isn't that just the prettiest hoop? I love it. And let's look at the tortoise. It's another one that we said is just a very classic earring. Oops. Don't want to break anything taking it off. I don't feel like these are extremely delicate, like I have to be so careful because they're so cheaply made. I feel like these are well made. And that, you know, be careful because they're jewelry. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at that. That is so pretty. That's just like simple. These are very simple. So if you're a person that says, well, Beth, I like a very simple classic look, these are perfect. Look at this earring. Oh, do you see the swing on that thing? That is so nice. That looks so elegant and so nice. And then look at these. That is so, I have the perfect shirt for this. It's got that in the trim. So just be a very subtle, nice, simple, classic touch. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so I've tried on those. What else could I try on for you? Y'all, I can't say enough about this. So, again, the way that it works. All right, I need to not lose my earrings here, Beth. I'm not putting my backs back on right there. I'm going to put that one back. That is just so pretty, y'all. So pretty. I want to try on little turquoise ones. I love that. I may just put that on. So, again, it's got the little plastic stopper, and then it's got a flat back, which makes it stand up good. That's the ones that's got the little disc. It's called a flat back. I believe that's what they're called. I'm going to put that in my second hole because it's a little higher on the ear. Because I'm not going to put anything with this, even though I could. I could put a little gold bead up there or something. And again, because my ears face backward, you don't see it till I look sideways. But look at that. I love these. Oh my gosh, I think that's what I'm going to wear today. Oh my gosh. I think I am. Anyway, it makes me feel good to know that I'm helping someone raise money for her kids to go away. Jenny, you sure you want to do that now? It's a trip that she's sending them on. Sometimes it's for mission trips, sometimes it's for school, but You just never know what people are doing with the money that helps them as a stay-at-home mom be able to contribute to the family income. And I love that. I love that for moms. Also, you know, in the business world, I've seen women come back out of being a stay-at-home mom, and they want to come in the workforce. They say, but I really have no skills to offer. That is so not true. First of all, you've been a mother. That's a huge skill set that you have had to develop. Any mother has to develop that. But also, when you're doing work from home like this, oh, y'all, I'm so doing this today. When you do stuff like this, you have to be very organized, very driven. You have to be a little salesperson. And Jenny is normally very shy. She's my little shy friend, but she's not really deep down once you get to know her. Look at that. Let me move my cross. Look at that. Y'all, that is so simple and cute. I love this set. I love it. These are the Eden earrings. And I believe the necklace is called Chalice. Is that right? I think that's what that one is. Yeah. You can go to the website. Again, I will have it listed below. I'm going to go ahead and just link her. I'll ask her how to do it. I'll link her. Let me put my little cross underneath my shirt. Look how cute this looks, y'all. It's just so simple. I feel like I need to go have tea with a friend or something. That is so pretty. I love these. And look how pretty it just pops against the white. I feel like I'm looking like summer. I'm looking like spring and summer. And see how the flat pack helps it stay real nice and snug on the ear. Whereas if you didn't have a flat back, how close am I to running over? Probably pretty close. If you didn't have, you know, the disc backs on the back, sometimes they hang out and they look weird. But this makes them stand up straight because it flattens it against the back of the ear. That's why I call them flat backs. I think they are called flat backs. I don't know. It's a new term. I love this necklace. Even if I didn't have these earrings on, these would be pretty just with a gold hoop. I mean, this necklace would be pretty with just a gold hoop. But I really do like the look that I have a set. I look like I'm coordinated. Okay, so I will link this below. Again, it's Plunder design. Very high quality jewelry. Very beautiful packaging and open.